Hey everybody, SkyTrack 13 meteorologist Sean Ash. I want to say happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. This is your day. You deserve it. We appreciate everything that you do for our kids here across central Indiana, across the U.S. And it's been a pretty good day. We hit 80 plus for the 6th straight day around central Indiana. That's only the 7th time on record during the May 1st through 10th time frame that we had 6 straight at or above 80 degrees, the first time since 2001. So we stay on the warmer side of normal here across the viewing area. We're keeping an eye out down across the southeastern corner of the state. There's going to be some thunderstorms that will be kind of flirting with severe limits in terms of wind and hail, but it will be the exception, not necessarily the rule. But that will be the area, again, southeastern corner of the state here the next few hours, where we'll probably have some pretty decent thunderstorms. We actually look back to the west, however, and there's a more impressive line of storms, and that will bring the possibility of some gusty wind and maybe definitely some lightning, and it's going to approach the state line by, say, 10 o'clock, okay? So there's going to be some heavy storms around then, and then probably again before you wake up. Don't anticipate organized severe weather overnight tonight, but that line right there will perhaps pose a few warnings across western Indiana, and it will move into the metro between 11 p.m. and midnight, and then we'll see additional thunderstorms as we head into 5, 6 o'clock hour. And then we'll kind of have to wait and see if there's going to be additional development in the morning. Now, this is going to be kind of a big day out of the track. Practice starts, rookie orientation. Gates open at 10 a.m. Probably more clouds than rain. But during the afternoon, we'll have to watch the radar closely because anything that fires up will have strong to severe storm potential. This is the latest run of Future Track 13. Notice by 2 p.m., we're going to start to see some things flare up. Is it going to be right on Indy? Is it going to be farther west? That's still to be determined. But anything that develops will have that severe weather potential. Everything should wind down by, say, 9 p.m. But all of the state under that risk, albeit a low risk, and this is how we see it breaking down. Anything that forms tomorrow will have lightning, quite a bit of it, and very heavy rain. There's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. At this point, it's about a 15% probability of damaging wind in excess of 57 miles per hour. It's a low probability, but a non-zero probability of tornadoes. So we can't completely rule them out right now, and we'll have to wait and see just how unstable the atmosphere will get. But be weather aware. That's the issue here, and for Monday. After this front pushes through that's going to spawn the storms, we're going to get into some pretty quiet conditions and cool. Much cooler on Tuesday. Highs only going to be in the mid-60s. We'll have sun in the morning, then some fair weather clouds. I circle Wednesday as the pick of the week at this point in time, just because we're going to be sunny from start to finish and no wind. We'll start out in the 40s. We'll finish in the 60s. So a very, very nice day on Wednesday. Again, I think the best day of the 7-day forecast. Although Thursday's not too shabby, we'll have clouds kind of increasing in the afternoon. Storm chances returning to the forecast on Friday. That's Fast Friday. Qualifying begins Saturday at the Motor Speedway with scattered storm chances around. And we'll call it a chance right now for pole day. So, but still some nice weather in between and a lot of dry practice time Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday out at IMS. No show tonight at 6 p.m. due to golf, but we all have a complete wrap-up at 11 p.m. and that line of storms will be approaching the state line by then. Have a great evening and happy Mother's Day once again.